I got scammed $1 million in trading capital by prop firms, and we're going to talk about it. I'm going to point some fingers. I'm going to talk about the prop firm industry in general, talk a little bit about my prop journey, trading journey, and talk about what's next for me, what's my plan for life after prop firms. So welcome in, fam. Much love, Trav here. Hey traders, how are all y'all doing? So yeah, I'm supposed to have $1 million in funding, which is $100,000 in risk, and a lot of leverage, which is a lot to trade with. And I have a $10,000 pending payout, which it's been over a month and nothing, and I cannot trade any of my live accounts. So, um, yeah, there's a lot of problems in prop. Personally, I'm calling it dead, but it's my own fault because I've been scammed too many times. Let's go over all the prop firms that have scammed me. This is where I'm going to point fingers. The first one is my Forex funds. I wasn't funded with my Forex funds, but I had 600K in challenge accounts when they went down. So I'm out about $4,000, $3,000 or $4,000 from them. Now, True Forex funds last year, I had 400K in funding with them, and I withdrew 30 to 40,000 with them. Awesome. However, I had signed up for a challenge more recently when they went down, and now that they're back up, I said, "Hey, you're not offering trading for U.S. clients. Can you refund me?" True Forex Fund says no. You have to wait until DX Trade or whatever. As of right now, I'm scammed because I cannot trade. There's no timeline. It's been months. Where's my money? Okay, the guys who have scammed me the worst now. Bespoke funding program. Bespoke, man, I spent too much on these guys, but I passed two 400K challenges with them for 800K in trading capital. They did not give me one of the accounts, and the other account, I got to 10K payout, which is pending. They've given me no reason. They haven't told me I broke any rules. They're just, and it's been, yeah, months. It's been months. They're just like, oh, we're behind. We'll get to it. Well, maybe I shouldn't have chosen such a sketchy organization and such a sketchy industry. It was all too good to be true. So, scammed by Bespoke. Then we have the funded trader. Oh man, I liked the funded trader, but they're having so many problems. They're behind on payouts. When they moved me to DX Trade, and both this happened with DX Trade and Skilled Funded Trader. It happened with the Funded Trader and Skilled Funded Trader, where for Skilled Funded Trader, I have phase one in good condition, and the Funded Trader, I have another 200K funded at break even, and everybody who had trades open on Sunday for the most part got breached because spreads open crazy wide. Everybody's either immediately lost or in huge profit. They calculate intraday drawdown from there. Spreads normalize. Everybody gets stopped out 30 minutes later and breached. So they breached everyone and they say, hey, we're going to compensate you. We're going to give you your account. But so far, nothing. So I'm calling it scammed. I can't trade with the account, so I'm scammed. They're not doing payouts, so it's scammed. So the issue, here's what I see with the whole industry. The problem with the whole industry is that nobody's making money. None of these prop firms are making money off the challenges. Sorry, none of them are making money off the traders. It's totally an expense and a cost. None of them are really A-booking a lot of traders, and it's hard to do that. Everybody's B-book, which means all their revenue is coming from the front end of challenges, and all the disruption to the prop firm industry is causing challenge revenue to go down, where they don't have the challenge revenue to pay out their traders, and they don't pay out their traders, scares people, so even less challenge revenue. So to me, we're going to see a lot of blowups. We're going to see a lot of death in this space. And I've been scammed by how many firms? One, two, five firms now. Like, I'm over. I'm done with prop firms. If they give me my accounts back, I'll trade with them, but I'm not going to spend another dollar with prop firms. So it's over for me for prop firms. So what am I doing? I'm focusing on trading personal. So I have a number of systems and assets that I like, but what I'm choosing to do is trade Forex. So I have a system that I like for gold and I like for Bitcoin, but I like buying them at low prices. Um, and we're at extremely high prices. The market's is hot, and I can see prices going much higher, but I don't want to follow the crowd and be a buyer right now. I'm much more interested in waiting for an opportunity that may not come for a while because we're at the lows in Bitcoin for quite a long time. Those were good times to buy and hold. Now there's a lot of expanded volatility. So I'm not really trading those. Same with indices. I did pretty well with indices, especially in my funded accounts. Um, but uh, that was buying the lows. Now that price is like kind of chopping, I there's not necessarily the opportunity. So what I'm focusing is on Forex. I have a system that has a trade opportunity that on any particular pair comes up once or twice a month, has about a 50% win rate, has about a 2 RR, and can be scaled to every pair. So I can take like 50 trades a month, flip 50 weighted coins a month. So I'm pretty stoked about it. It's also set it and forget it around the daily close or daily open, and it's awesome. And it's private, but I am gonna sell it, and there's a link to it down below. And why? Because I told you guys forever free. And if I'm ever selling a course, it's because something went wrong. Well, something went wrong, and it wasn't necessarily with my trading. It was with where my money was invested because I was profitable with prop firms, and I have not as much capital as I thought I had. But that's just the skepticism of like, why do people sell things? Well, people like money. People like to have more capital, and people like to, because you need a lot of capital to make money in trading. But enough about me. It's a great system, and I'll share more about it. But if you want to learn more about it, you want to talk to me about it, or you want to be one of the first people to get it, there's a link down below. So go check it out. And yeah, the good news is I'm going to make a lot more content. I'm going to make a lot more educational content. I'm expanding my trading business beyond just the trading and into the marketing and content space. So expect a lot more awesome content from me moving forward. Appreciate you all. Much love. And do not trade props, trade personal. Yeah, it really sucks because props gave you the illusion of you could go from small to big money, but in the end, too good to be true, and they scammed. So um, it was a Ponzi scheme. All right, much love, y'all. Peace, and talk to you soon.